Thank you all for being here. Welcome to the LG Electronics Component Solutions Division exhibit here at the 2023 AHR Expo. My name is Matt Allen. I am a Senior Account Manager with the Component Solutions Division, and I will be your host for this event today. When you think LG, you think of TVs, you think of audio equipment. You don't necessarily think about HVAC. But for over 20 years, LG Component Solutions has been a key supplier for products in this industry. LG's manufactured motors and compressors for over 60 years, starting in 1962. And since its inception as Lucky Gold Star, we have made it a focus to keep innovative technologies in-house, and that has allowed the Component Solutions Group to grow over $800 million globally. With significant focus here in North America, we are a smart solutions provider, and we have total solutions that enable our customers to continue with their growth. So to explain a little bit about our event today, we have 4 separate product zones. We will have a representative at each product zone to introduce our products, give you some details on it. Does that sound good to everybody? Yes. All right, great. We're going to move over to our residential zone first. I invite you to follow me over there. Here we are in our residential zone. I'd like to introduce you to my friend and colleague, Jerry. He's going to tell you a little bit about these things. Jerry.
Thank you, Matt, and welcome everyone to LG's residential zone. So this is the area where LG Component Solutions showcases solutions, its offerings for residential and light commercial AC and heat pump products. So these are our workhorses, our main high volume product line. So first let's build a little bit of a baseline. What is a compressor? So electromechanical device, electro because there's a motor, mechanical because there's a compression device. And the compression device, its sole responsibility is to take gas at a low pressure and push it back out at a high pressure. So why is that important? So in a HVAC system, there's a hot coil and a cold coil, and the refrigerant that moves around and makes that possible, that's what the compressor circulates. So it's kind of like our heart, kind of like the engine of a car. People use different analogies, but it's kind of the main piece that causes the refrigerant to circulate. So now, how do we do that? How do we do that with componentry? So we have in this residential lineup 2 main compression types, rotaries and scrolls. So those are, all of these we make, LG produces. So the rotary, we think of that one as lower cost, but a little bit less forgiving of a machine to some of the system abuses that it can give out. And then scrolls, more efficient, and the mechanical is a little more compliant, allowing some of those bad things to occur and reliability problems not be a problem. So then what as a company are we working on next? So as we go through the industry here, the show here, we see everything that we've done across the last few years addressing the minimum efficiency requirements, so higher efficient machines that are meeting those DOE targets, and that's already on display, but what we're displaying here is the next big thing. So the next big thing being low GWP. So we have this industry engaged the ozone depletion first with the transition from R22 to 410A. But with 410A, now we have global warming potential where it kind of acts like a blanket around the earth, temperatures go up, all the things we see in the media. So as this industry attacks that problem, we go from high GWP to low GWP. So we're going away from 410A in favor of 454B and R32. That's kind of what the industry is embracing, those 2. So for LG, being a component supplier, we make products in all of this good stuff for both of those refrigerants. So that's what we'll go through here. We'll go through our product lineup. So for base tier, entry level SEER, we do mostly single stage products. So the compressor's either on or off, full capacity or off. So in that world, like we say, we have rotaries. So those are here on my left, our smaller frame, larger frame, RJA and KJA and KVA. So the rotary, single stage rotaries. And then our scrolls, YPH and YBH. So there's a whole family of those, again, single stage, and you'll find those in your base model, 13.4, 14.3. What we have here, again, is 454B, so that'll all be what we start showing, the OEM guys will start showing here in a couple years as they engage that low GWP. the two-stage scroll product. So two-stage becomes more important in kind of the mid-tier product line, where we can get full capacity, a part load capacity, or back to off. So 3 modes out of this two-stage device. We do that in our scroll. So again, 2 frames just like this guy, YPM and YBM. And then from there, we go to our variable speed product. So for variable speed, now we can adjust the speed of the compressor to deliver exactly how much capacity we need. So for variable speed, again, in all of these refrigerants, we have both rotaries and scrolls, which we're showing here today. Rotary with the matching drive, scroll with the matching drive. So across the board, if in this residential zone, if an OEM needs a product, LG has a solution.
Welcome to the Air Movement Zone. I'm Ryan Maitland. I'm the Senior Sales Engineer for LG's Component Solutions covering motors. We've got a great celebration last year covering 60 years in the motor industry. We're very happy to announce that our first motor back in 1962 was an air mover. And in 2021, we launched a new line of EC motors that has a full range of 1/3 horsepower to 1 horsepower motors. We are excited to bring this to the market. We've got a great design utilizing a high flux rotor that offers high efficiency and low noise. This is great for both indoor and outdoor HVAC applications. We have this in a multitude of inputs with 5-tap PWM as well as 4-pin fully communicating constant airflow solutions. This comes in 2 different efficiency designs, one for high efficiency to reach those maximum peaks in the system, as well as a economical one for everyday use in the industry. So for our outdoor heat pump and AC compressors, we've got a 1/2 and 1/3 horsepower outdoor motor. Now this motor comes in both premium and standard efficiency designs to allow for the system to reach peak efficiencies, as well as offering a system that meets everyday needs. So this outdoor premium efficiency fan motor is in a weather-tested design to handle the harshest outdoor conditions. It comes in inputs with PWM and a constant speed application to allow for any of the fan speed needs that you could have in an outdoor application. So along with our ECMs, we also have a BLDC motor offering. This comes in the same low noise, high efficiency design. It also comes in a wide range of performance outputs as well as mechanical packages, ranging from a 40-watt indoor fan motor all the way up to a 1/3 horsepower outdoor and window unit design. Now these BLDC fan motors offer compact and high efficiency solutions for some of the lower power HVAC application needs. So moving on to our indoor motor. This has a full range of indoor application needs for both furnaces and air handler and fan coil, going from a 1/3 horsepower up to a 1 horsepower, again in both the premium and standard efficiency designs. It utilizes a 5-tap or industry standard 5-tap input that can go up to 32 24-volt tap inputs, as well as PWM to give you a wide range of motor performance or motor settings. We also offer this in a 4-pin fully communicating design to allow for fully fully constant airflow designs. So along with the motors that we have here today, we also offer custom motor designs to meet any of your necessary air moving design needs. So we say tap into our 60 years of motor knowledge and see what we can help you find the solution that you need.
Hello and welcome to LG, the Auto, RV, and Commercial Zone. I'm Jeff Horn with LG. I'm Senior Account Manager for the OEM side compressors. So first thing I'll talk about today is the Auto. LG offers with our rotary compressor an Auto portable cooler. It's designed to eliminate the need for traditional ice and to replenish that as well as draining the cooler. It's mainly for the truck. It fits seamlessly in a console, but can easily be fitted into any other vehicle. With the LG variable speed technology. It uses less energy, and it is more efficient in controlling the temperature for this product. So that's it for the auto. For the RV, LG offers two types of air conditioners for the RV application. One is for the curved roof application or vehicle. If you have this, what it actually does, it fits into the top or the roof of the vehicle. And again, this is for the curved roof. So what this does, since you're limited to space inside the RV, it has low headroom, so it gives you more clearance for room inside the RV. Now, if you have a traditional curved roof, LG offers the under the counter or under the bench application for this as well. So that's it, Matt, for the auto and RV, and the next will be the commercial zone. Okay, it's me again for the commercial zone. So for our commercial zone, these are mainly rooftop applications. All of our major OEMs use these. So what LG offers in the commercial zone is we have two compressors here, two different styles. We have the fixed stage or the two-stage compressor. So with these compressors, the capacity now will be, for each single one, it'll be 6 to 12 tons, what we offer in those applications. With this combination, you can actually do the tandem where you put two compressors together, and what you do, you can achieve a maximum capacity of up to 24 horsepower actually by putting these together. They're tandem ready or single is how you want to use these. So with this, also on the two-stage, with the efficiency and the extension of the capacity, you can actually exceed more of the capacity than what's needed there, and you can mismatch these for any capacity needed to get what you desire on the application. Okay?
Hello, my name is Marcus Choi, and I'm a quality engineer part leader responsible for compressor within the US market. So I work at a LG Technical Service Center, which is located in Dallas, Texas area. We have serviced over 10 years in US. So our operation include failure analysis tests, which include electrical tests, which is a motor check, and no load test, which tests our startability under no load condition, and lastly a load test, which include load tests under certain conditions. So as last stage, we tear down all the compressors that are returned within our technical service center, either from production line or our customer's field. And I'm gonna start assemble our mock-up sample and take a look inside our compressor. So here we got a base of our compressor, and this part is our shaft and motor. Next, we have a fixed screw, which is for purpose of alignment. Next, we have the bearing, and the critical part of a compressor is our screw set, which is one stationary, one orbiting screw, where pockets of refrigerant goes inside our screw set, slowly pushed inside to the center of the compressor, which reduces the volume of the size. So at the end, we have the shell and the cover, as well as our top cap. So basically, we do this tear down process for all return compressors from either customers' production lines or field return compressors. So our ultimate goal for our technical support center is to continue improvements in engineering process design or even our production capability. And we have established a good reputation with good quality, always try to exceed our industry standard. Our headquarter quality assurance team uses Six Sigma management tool to always improve our process capability. Our technical support center service do a failure analysis to always provide a good feedback to customer on how compressor got filled and what we can support them to improve this issue. So we all know how quality is so important in present, and in order to meet customer satisfaction, stay good product brand as top leaders in compressor and manufacturer, we do try best from our technical service support center. Thank you.